Hello guys, thank you for watching another episode of Cooking with Chef Chantel. Today I am going to be making a light dinner. I have some wild caught salmon and I'm going to turn this into teriyaki salmon, and I will be serving this over a bed of spinach. Stay tuned. So I have some extra virgin olive oil in my pan, and you want this to cook on each side for about 7 to 9 minutes. Okay, so our salmon is cooked. Next I'm going to use some teriyaki sauce. I'm using the gluten-free teriyaki sauce, and it does not have any high fructose corn syrup in it. That's what I also like about it. So you can use this also as a marinade if you want to. So this week my plans are to focus on clean eating. I will be trying to lose weight. So far I have lost 3 pounds since I have cut out a lot of processed foods. I've been eating more fresh vegetables, and also I've been exercising as well, and also I have been doing the calorie counting, so it has been helping out. Fast food is not recommended. I noticed that when I eat fast food, I wasn't feeling well. I was getting a lot of headaches. So that is something that I do not recommend. Now that I have been limiting my amounts of fast food and cooking more, I haven't been getting many headaches. The thing is, when I'm out working, I would stop and probably grab something from the fast food restaurant somewhere to eat because it was a convenience. So now I either eat before I go to work or I pack some lunch with me. Okay, so let's get ready to drain the olive oil. Also guys, you want to use oils that are natural. Vegetable oil is not good for you. I always cook with olive oil because you know for a fact that the oil comes from the olive. We all know that you can press olives and get oil from it. So you do not want to eat vegetable oils. I will have an entire video on my vlogging channel, Chantel's Chronicles, about foods that are not good for your health. So please go subscribe to Chantel's Chronicles. So I have drained the excess olive oil out of the pan. And now I want to put the teriyaki sauce over the salmon. Just want enough to smother it with. So my heat is on medium low heat, so you want to wait until this starts to cook, and then, which will be probably about 15 minutes or so, and once it starts to cook, heat up, then we are going to remove the salmon and place it onto our bed of spinach. So I have a bag of baby spinach, which is only 20 calories per serving, and the serving size is 4 cups. However, I will be using less than 4 cups. So I am going to rinse this spinach off first before I eat this. Okay, let's get ready to plate our food. This is how it should look. If you choose to use salad dressing, please be sure that it is a light salad dressing. However, I am not going to use any salad dressing. I'm just going to use the teriyaki sauce as my salad dressing, because I do not want to add any more calories to my calorie count diet. I will have the recipe in the description below, which will also be available on my food blog. That's tgplatefoodblog.blogspot.com. Do not forget to subscribe to Chantel's Chronicles. I will have a video on foods that are not healthy for you. My channel will be taking a new turn, so from now on I will be cooking more healthier meals than previously. Stay tuned, and you all have a blessed day. Thank you for watching, and please help me get to 1,000 subscribers so that I can be able to bring you guys more content. God bless.